Look at yourself right now, not in a mirror, but in your mind. Think about the last time you tried to do a push-up. Maybe it was this morning, maybe it was in a gym class years ago, feeling everyone's eyes on you, or maybe it was just now on your bedroom floor and it felt wrong. Your back sagged, your elbows flared out, your shoulders screamed. You struggled, you strained, and you collapsed, feeling a little bit weaker, a little bit more defeated. That voice in your head whispered, "See, I told you you couldn't do it. I need you to hear me and hear me clearly." That struggle, that feeling of failure, it is not your fault. You were never taught the how. You were just told to do a push-up. It's like being handed a violin and told to play a symphony without a single lesson. Today, that ends. Today, we reclaim that movement. We silence that voice. Because the push-up isn't just an exercise, it's a testament. A testament to your strength, your control, and your will. It's you against gravity and winning. And you will win. Mastery doesn't start with movement, it starts with a moment, a decision. The decision to forget every bad rep you've ever done and to learn it the right way, from the ground up, literally. So I want you to find some space. Get down on the floor with me. This isn't about how many you can do. This is about doing one perfect push-up. Because one perfect push-up is worth 20 mediocre ones. It builds a real strength, it protects your body, and it builds unshakable confidence. Let's start with your foundation, your hands. They aren't just slapped down randomly. Place them on the floor, slightly wider than your shoulders. Now screw your hands into the floor, as if you were trying to twist the floor apart between your hands. You will feel your shoulders engage, creating a stable shelf of muscle to press from. This is your anchor. Now, your body, this is the most important part. From the top of your head to your heels, you must become a single, unbreakable steel rod. Tighten your core like you're bracing for a punch. Squeeze your glutes as hard as you can. Your hips cannot sag. They cannot poke up towards the ceiling. Imagine a straight, powerful line of energy running through your entire body. This is your strength. This is your power. This alignment protects your lower back and makes every muscle work in harmony. Feel that tension, that full body engagement. That is what a push-up truly is. It's not just a chest exercise, it's a total body commitment. It's a plank that moves. Hold this position, breathe. Feel the strength you already have, just in this starting position. This is your foundation, this is non-negotiable. Before we even think about lowering down, we need to own this position. This is where you build the mind-muscle connection. This is where you tell your body, we are strong, we are solid, we are ready. Practice this, get into this perfect plank position every day. Hold it, feel the power in it. Because when you master the start, you master the entire movement. You've already done the hardest part, you've started. You've chosen to learn, you've chosen to be better. Hold on to that feeling. In part 2, we will put this perfect foundation into motion and complete your first, truly perfect push-up. Now we move. This is where strength is forged and confidence is built. You've built that perfect, solid plank. You're a steel rod from head to heel. Your hands are screwed into the floor, creating that incredible tension. You are powerful, you are stable, you are ready. Now, breathe in. As you take that breath, begin to lower yourself down. But this isn't a collapse. This is a controlled descent. You are in complete command. Think about pulling your body down towards the floor rather than just letting gravity win. Keep your elbows close to your body. They shouldn't be flaring out like chicken wings. Imagine you're creating an arrow shape with your arms and your torso, not a T. This protects your shoulders and places the focus right on the powerful muscles of your chest, your triceps, and that rock-solid core you're engaging. Lower yourself all the way down until your chest is just a hair's breadth from the floor. Feel that deep stretch in your chest? That's the full range of motion. That's where real growth happens. You are now at the bottom. This is the moment of truth. This is the moment where most people fail, not because they aren't strong enough, but because they panic. They lose their form, they forget their breath. So don't panic. Pause here for a single second. Feel the tension. Feel the potential energy coiled in your muscles. You are a spring, loaded and ready to explode upwards. Now breathe out. Force that air out as you push the world away from you. Drive through your palms, maintaining that screw-like tension in your hands. Push with everything you have, but keep that body rigid. Remember the steel rod. Do not let your hips sag or your back arch. Explode back to that perfect starting position. And there you have it. One perfect rep, one total victory over gravity. That feeling at the top, after you've completed one with perfect form, is unlike any other. It's a jolt of pure, unfiltered confidence. You did it. You controlled every millimeter of that movement. You owned it. But maybe, right now, that full motion feels just out of reach. That's more than okay. That's normal. Mastery is a ladder, and we all start on a different rung. If you need to build up to it, you have options, and they are nothing to be ashamed of. They are tools. Start with the push-ups on your knees, but hear this, do not just drop to your knees and do a half-hearted rep. The rules still apply. Your body must still be a straight line from your knees to your head, no sagging hips, no drooping head. You maintain that perfect, rigid form. You lower with control, you push with power. This is how you build the strength to get to your toes. Another powerful tool is the incline push-up. Use a wall, a kitchen counter, a sturdy table. The higher the surface, the easier it is. Place your hands on it and walk your feet back until, once again, you form that straight, strong line from your head to your heels, and then you perform the exact same movement. Lower your chest to the surface with control, keep those elbows in, and push back up. As you get stronger, you find a lower surface, a stair, a chair, until finally you're on the floor. The path to a perfect push-up is a journey of self-respect. It's about honoring where you are today while having the discipline to build for tomorrow. It's not about ego, it's about excellence. So your mission is this. Practice this movement, not for 20 mindless reps, for 3, for 5, for one single flawless rep. Chase that quality. Feel every muscle fire, celebrate the shaky burn in your arms and your core, because that burn is growth. That shake is change happening in real time. You are not just learning how to do a push-up. You are learning how to show up for yourself. You are learning discipline. You are learning that you are capable of more than you thought. One perfect rep at a time. Now get down on the floor and own it. This is your strength. This is your edge. Welcome to Fitedge.